Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you meet the in-game requirements and are in a server with the right map. Join a populated server on Downtown, Rooftop, or Skybase because Moai spawns more reliably there. Once done, set your respawn to fast and spawn near the central arena entrance. You want immediate access to spawn points, so move toward the center and watch spawn timers. Make sure your inventory has space and any movement boosts ready. Now position yourself where Moai usually appears. You now focus on triggering and securing the Moai spawn. Stay alert for the ritual animation or sound cue that usually happens 3 to 5 minutes into a match. When you hear it, move in immediately. Once the spawn begins, isolate the location by blocking common approach paths and using quick dashes to interrupt opponents. Stun opportunities or movement locks are valuable. They give you the split second to execute the grab sequence. If you time your stun and dash right, you pick up the drop before others can react. You finish by claiming and equipping the Moai glove quickly. After pickup, open inventory and equip it so you don't drop it during fights. If the glove despawns or another player snatches it, don't linger. Server hop and replicate the exact spawn timing routine that worked before. If animation or pickup bugs occur, relog or clear cache to reset client state, and make sure your latency is low. This troubleshooting step fixes most issues so you can try again without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.